So I've been needing to make buttonholes on this project that I've been working on, which are these cute bag tags, and I wanted to continue to use my lovely good old Treadles. Now this one here is a 1941 201K Treadle, being straight stitch only. So it came with the Singer buttonholer, which was a 1954 attachment, and that's the cool little gadget there. This actually goes onto your machine. It comes with these cams, so I made myself a funky little cheat sheet, and this is what the cam looks like. I'll just place it on there. So what happens is there's a cog in here, so the cam goes into the bottom and there's a cog up here. See this little dial thing, and if I move that, you'll see that that moves around. Now that's to help with placement, to make sure we got it in the right place. There we go. And so what happens is, as the needle, because it's attached to the needle through the hook there, and then of course it's secured into your pressure foot. So this is acting as a pressure foot as well. So the most important thing with this as well, of course, is that your feed dogs otherwise need to be covered. This one came with a cover, or you drop your feed dogs. You do not want your feed dogs engaged during this process. It will just, don't even go there. Anyway, so what happens is, as the needle goes up and down, this moves the cog, and as the cog moves this, the cog moves this, and then it creates these buttonholes. So let's show you it in action. So this is a treadle, and we'll just get that going. So your pressure foot, make sure your pressure foot is down, definitely, and then we get the treadle going. As you see, the fabric is going backwards and forwards, creating the zigzag stitch. Now you can go flat out, but I found that sometimes with these variegated threads, which I really love using, sometimes the speed can snap the thread because it's coming off the spool too fast. So just a nice controlled speed is a good one. I usually like to go around mine 2 or 3 times just to make sure that it's got a really good coverage. Sounds like a little old train. So just making sure your needle is up, pressure foot up, and then you just gently pull this out, cut your threads, and then I use a seam ripper, and I just cut very carefully along here. What I love about these older ones is that you do get these really good side supports, and that's all there is to it. Enjoy.